In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open video in Google Chrome. If you've ever needed a quick way to preview a clip without launching a separate media player, Chrome can do the job beautifully. It's fast, it's convenient, and it works right inside a tab, so you can keep your workflow simple while you browse, organize files, or double-check and export. Let's start with the easiest method. Open Chrome and create a fresh, empty tab so you have a clean space to drop your file. Now, head to the folder where your video is saved. Click and hold the file, then drag it over to the Chrome window and drop it right into that new tab. The moment you let go, Chrome will load the video and begin playing it instantly. No extra setup, no add-ons, just drag, drop, and watch. This is perfect for quickly checking content, scanning through a clip, or previewing footage without opening another app. If you prefer not to drag and drop, there's a simple keyboard shortcut that does the same thing. With Chrome active, press Ctrl and the letter O. That opens your file browser on top of the browser window. Navigate to the folder that contains your video, select the file you want, and click Open. Chrome will immediately load your selection into a tab and start playback for you. It's a clean, repeatable way to open multiple files when you're working through a batch. Once your video is playing, Chrome provides the essential controls you expect. You can pause and resume with a single click on the play button and adjust the volume using the on-screen volume control, so your audio is at the perfect level. And if you want to keep watching while you multitask, use picture-in-picture mode. Look for the picture-in-picture button in the video controls. Clicking it pops the video out into a small floating window that stays visible while you switch to other tabs and continue working. You can move that mini player to any corner of your screen and keep your eyes on the action without losing your place in the browser. That's all there is to it. Drag and drop for instant playback, or press Ctrl-O to browse and open from your files. With playback controls right on the screen, including pause, volume, and picture-in-picture, Chrome makes it a fast, simple way to check your videos whenever you need. You're all set, done.